Hey loves, my name is Dima and you are welcome to my channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell for future videos. Today we'll be making a super potent hair growth oil and I'll be showing you how to use this to achieve your desired goal. Please keep on watching and I'll be right back. Welcome back. My first ingredient is avocado. Avocado is not new in natural hair community. We use it in different DIY recipes to benefit our hair. I've shared quite a number on this channel. Aside from consuming this wonder fruit, they contain amazing vitamins and minerals that help with healthy hair growth. Today, we are going to be using this to make our hair growth oil. All you need for this is just a sizable avocado like so, ripe avocado like so. Avocado reduces dandruff when used on the scalp. They prevent breakage. They help protect hair from damage, especially from the UV rays of the sun. This fruit can be consumed or used topically to benefit the hair. Whichever you choose is just fine. So our next ingredient is going to be aloe vera. Guys, I'm proud to let you know that my aloe vera is doing great. I'm proud to also let you know that these leaves were gotten from my flower pot just there on my balcony. What more can I ask for? The leaves are so big that I'm super proud. Guys, if you've been following me on this channel from my day ones, you already know how I struggled with trying to grow my aloe vera leaf to make it bigger. I've bought quite a few plants in the past which I ended up uprooting and then discarding. Guys, look at that. You can take every other hair care product, natural hair care product, and give me aloe vera. Guys, I so much love aloe vera and so should you. My next ingredient is going to be ginger, and as you can see, I had already peeled the skin off camera and then I'm going to be grating that. This is just about 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger. Ginger increases blood circulation to the scalp of your hair and this enables hair growth. They prevent dandruff. They consist of antiseptic properties which help prevent dandruff. Ginger has antioxidants in it that can prevent split ends and dry hair related problems. Ginger roots can prevent hair loss. It can be consumed in the form of food or tea, or sometimes you can make it a paste and place it on your hair and allow it to sit for some time and dry before rinsing out. You just do not want to miss including this in your regimen. This ginger is super potent, super powerful. I don't know what else to say, but ginger is simply amazing. So here is all I've gathered in the plate, and I'm going to go ahead and use palm kernel oil. Guys, if you have been watching my videos recently, you noticed that I incorporated palm kernel oil in my regimen and I have never regretted that. So place a pan on low heat and then transfer a cup and a half of palm kernel oil. Feel free to use any carrier oil of your choice. You can choose coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, any other carrier oil of your choice, but make sure you use a carrier oil. So I'm going to toss all the prepped ingredients in this oil and begin stirring. Guys, you can blend all these ingredients with an oil and no water. I'm supposed to have blended this, but I was just so lazy and I couldn't blend. But if you're following this method, you will still arrive at the same results, but ensure that you use your spatula, your wooden spatula, to mash all the ingredients in the oil before it's ready. This is going to be sitting on fire for 15 to 30 minutes. Remember that you have to do this on low heat. Make sure that your heat is not high. Also, I added a few other Ayurvedic herbs before now, but I lost the clip, and that's why I'm repeating this. I first added a tablespoon of neem powder, followed by burdock root powder. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of each of those herbs. The next powder that I'm going to be adding is fenugreek powder. Guys, if you watched my video earlier, you noticed that there was a time I sieved fenugreek powder, which I use for paste. Guys, this is what I'm going to be using that for. So the next powder that I added is black seed powder. All these powders used in this video, plus the avocado, aloe vera, and the rest, they are all super potent and they are all finely sourced. They are amazing for hair growth, and they have 1 or 2 amazing benefits for hair growth. The combination is going to give you mad hair growth, guys. Don't joke with this, guys. Just keep on stirring. Make sure you stand by this pan and stir continuously. Do not leave this pan alone, else it's going to burn or you will not like the result. So after this is done, after 15 to 30 minutes mark, I turned off my heat and allowed to cool down completely before sieving. Guys, make sure to use cheesecloth like so to make sure that none of the particles gets into the oil. So I'll go ahead and squeeze that and then get my oil, discard the chaff. I'm going to try my best to list all the ingredients used in this video in my description box. Guys, please check that out. Also, all the herbs used in this video can be found on Amazon. Just type www.amazon.com on your browser and then search for the ingredients, and you will be glad you did. So I'll be transferring my oil into my applicator bottle. So this applicator bottle is going to help me apply the oil directly to my scalp. So this oil is basically made for your scalp, but you can use this on your hair strands, whichever you love, but I prefer to concentrate this oil on my scalp because hair grows out from the scalp. I equally love to use this oil on my protective styles. You already know that I love cornrows as my protective style, so I apply this oil in between the rows and then use my fingers to work that in before using my massager to massage this in. Remember that scalp massages help with hair growth. Here is my tip to you. If you really want to achieve thickness, you want your hair to grow faster, I advise you use this oil on your scalp every night. Use a massager to massage your scalp every night. Do this on protective style for a month and you will be amazed at your results when you take down your protective style. Also, if you're wearing a protective style, ensure you moisturize your protective style. This will help minimize shedding and breakage when you're taking your protective style out. A moisturized hair, super moisturized hair, rarely break or shed easily. I know a lot of you complaining that you shed a lot of hair each time you wear cornrows. That's because you don't moisturize your hair in cornrows. If you moisturize your hair in cornrows, believe you me, your hair is going to do great. And if you're taking that down, you will never ever going to shed so much hair. So once I'm done applying the oil on my scalp, I will go ahead and use my massager to massage my scalp for blood circulation. Also, do not forget your problem areas, bald spots, anywhere you have issues on your hair. Ensure you concentrate this oil there and then massage there daily. Provided your follicles are not damaged, this oil is going to grow back any lost hair or the hairline, bald spots, crown section. Make sure that the follicles are not damaged. Please ask me questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon.